How to add new property in booking.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add or list your new property in booking.com. Now the process is actually quite simple. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your booking.com application. Now here you'll get an interface like this. Now at the very bottom you can see 4 different options: search, saved, trips and profile. You want to simply tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner, and once you do so you'll get an interface like this. Now here on this page, if you scroll all the way down below, you can see the option under partners, list your property, above the sign out option. You know, simply tap on your list your property options and you can see you'll get an interface like this: list your place on booking.com, homes, hotels and everything in between. Whatever it is, you can list it. So you want to simply tap on list your property, and once you tap on list your property option, here you can see an interface like this. Now here you want to simply tap on getting started here, get started now, and once you do so, here it will take you to create your partner account. Here you want to simply log in if you already have a partner account, but if you don't have, you can simply create a new one. Now since I already have, I'll just log in simply. Now here, as you can see, I have already logged in and it's prompting me to continue to my previous registration. But here you want to simply tap on create new listing option, and once you tap on create new listing, you'll be able to create a new listing here right on this page, and you'll be able to select the property that you want to add: apartment, whether homes or hotels, B&Bs and more, and alternative places like boats, campgrounds, luxury tents. You want to simply select the options, particular options, and fill out the necessary forms, and once you do so, you'll be able to easily add it. So this way you can add new property in booking.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.